Hey, what's up everybody? We have a different and special video for you today. We're going to go over one of the projects I've been working on here at Learn Web3. So Learn Web3 is a place to improve your Web3 development skill sets. As you can see, I've been going through the different progression courses and I'm 80% through on the junior progression. And so let's click on that. We just completed the building your sovereign user-owned data profile with the Ceramic network. Okay, so we just completed that. So that's what I'm going to demo for you right now. Let me go ahead and pull up the code here. So this uses Next.js, all right, and JavaScript here, and the way that we are going to demo this application, all right, this decentralized application, I will show you in a few. However, as of right now, just to let you know, this is completely for educational purposes only, all right, for Learn Web3, and I totally recommend this as well as DAP University if you're interested in learning more about Web3 and development and back-end development and creating your own decentralized applications. Okay, so this is going to be an application that will basically verify and authenticate a user. So you will have your self.id, okay, your 3ID, your Web3 ID, and this will give us access to a profile, and in that profile we will be able to update our username. All right, that's it. Quite simple. This is just for the back end for connecting to the blockchain and interacting with Wallet Connect and these browser-based wallets and decentralized applications in the blockchain. So you can create this access to any website. So when we look at the demo website, imagine this as a sign-in and access to whatever you decide or whatever you seem fit. So for example, if I wanted to create, access to SafePal or something like that, and or I wanted to create a special access to anyone that happens to order the SafePal hardware wallet, we could essentially create an authentication or login for any of those users that wants to get a deal. Maybe I can say, hey, if you're part of the community, instead of getting it for $50, you will get it for $35, but you have to be part of the community, and the only way you can order it for $35 is if you log in with your decentralized wallet or something like that, okay? Or your MetaMask wallet or something like that, okay? So, all right, so just quick background on Ceramic. So Ceramic is a decentralized data network. It allows for building composable Web3 applications. All right, this is a decentralized application database. Application developers can reuse data across applications and make them automatically interoperable. In the course of this article, we will dig deeper into what those statements actually mean and why decentralized data is important in the first place. So we have Web3 and data. We're not going to go through all of this. I'm just going to highlight some things here. So Ceramic allows you to bring that same type of composability to data on the internet. This can be any kind of data, whether it's a profile, social connections, blog posts, identities, reputation, game assets, and etc. See, this is an abstract concept. It is a bit tricky to try and define Ceramic network as a single thing. Similar to Ethereum, which by itself is hard to define. But what does it even mean to be a smart contract platform? So, it is a little bit easier to understand if we look at specific use cases that Ceramic can enable and examples of a vision for the future. So, for example, with Ethereum, it's much easier to understand when we look at Ethereum with these examples, such as yield farming on DeFi protocols, or buying NFTs on OpenSea or Magic Eden, or Magic Eden's for Solana, or even a DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization, okay? Group ownership, group LLC on the DAO. This is the same thinking that can be applied when we're going about ceramic. So there's a lack of data in Web3. We know that it's brand new. Okay, so we want to comprise. We want to do a few things. So with tokens and digital assets, all right, we can use these smart contracts that are inherently limited in how much data that can be stored in them, but there's only so much data functionality that can be built. So as we progress and as decentralized applications mature more and the market demand for building out these data rich applications starts to increase, trends like decentralized social media, decentralized reputational platforms, or decentralized blogs, they'll start taking off in the future. Okay, so there will be a lot of technical approaches being taken, but we will also see innovation and creativity at the best. So I can't wait to see what more comes from this. But as some of us are currently building right now in this ecosystem, here's a cool way, and here's a few examples to understand what ceramic is building. So number one, a generalized data protocol. All right, we have so where data can be modified only by the owner. So basically we will have the username. Okay, the data can be modified only by the owner. Once we sign in, only the owner of the wallet, the address owner, can update the username profile name. All right, we have with high volume data processing, global data availability and consistency, meaning that it can be accessed from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet connections and connect to the blockchain. All right, as long as there's one node that's up and running that has the blockchain on it, you'll be able to access this data on the chain. Okay, support for fast querying, all right, and interoperable data across applications and community governance can all be used with Ceramic Network. Okay, so there's a lot that we just said, and Ceramic can be quite tricky if you define it on its own, but we just go over this in examples and just use it on a daily basis, and that is a good way to kind of figure out how it goes. So decentralized reputation. How does that work? Well, reputation can be tied to a person's identity, and Twitter, crypto Twitter, you know, there's followers and likes. Instagram, you have hearts. On Reddit, there's karma. You know, on Stack Overflow, there's points. So there's just so many different ways that you can establish reputation. And another way is with owning NFTs, okay? And those NFTs can be part of your reputation as well. We did a project like that earlier on in this progression track, so check out one of those videos. Now, when we are going to use this for multi-chain wallets and multi-chain identities, okay, so you can extrapolate the reputation use case to achieve generalized multi-wallet and multi-chain identity for users. So instead of tying up data in smart contracts or off-chain based on wallet addresses, data can be tied up to the user's decentralized identity, and that can be controlled by multiple wallets across multiple chains. This way, multi-chain dApps, decentralized applications, can have a yet single source of truth for a user's data. And there's multi-chain architecture. I mean, there's just so much. But we're going to use self-ID. Self-ID is a single high-level library that encapsulates 3ID accounts. Creating and setting up a 3ID, underlying calls to ceramic nodes, all in a single package optimized to work in a browser. The SDK also includes popular use cases like a multi-chain user profile built in, which makes it very easy for developers to retrieve and store multi-chain data linked to a 3ID. So that's enough reading. That's enough. I think we went over a lot of information. I already completed this task. Let's go ahead and take a look at this DApp. This decentralized application. Real quickly, I'm just going to show you what the back end and the code looks like. All right, so this is a complete code. Once you install the dependencies on the code, so let's go ahead and just open this up in the terminal here. I should be able to use this terminal instead of having to open that one up. All right, so since we're already inside of it, we're going to go to ls. Okay, so ls tells us what's currently inside this folder. So we're going to change the directory. Okay, we're going to enter that folder right now. Okay, so once we enter, now we are inside here. We're gonna list here. We're gonna say what's inside of this directory. This is letting me know that I'm inside here. Okay, so we're gonna npm install. So you're gonna use this to make sure you install all of the dependencies required to run this. I already did that. Okay, this is complete. So once that's done, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do npm run dev, and this is gonna bring up the application. It's gonna start the server, and it's gonna give us our local host using port 3000. Okay, so that's this right here. Let's go ahead and refresh that. Okay, because this was already completed, and I want to have this brand new. So let me do that. So okay, and do this. So we should be up and running. Okay, hold on. It looks like it's thinking about it. It's compiling. It's doing some funny stuff down there. We're getting some stuff going on over here. It's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. It's thinking about it. Hey, there we go. All right. So our decentralized application is up. Like I said, this is very so we got our ceramic demo right here. So actually we're gonna go ahead and update that. Okay, so we're gonna make this a little bit more unique to me. And so what I'm gonna do is we're going to take a look at this. All right, so instead of it, we're gonna call it the future ceramic, self ID. Okay, we're gonna do that. So let's just update that a little bit. Okay, so see, boom. All right, so now it's just a little bit more like us. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna say wallet instead. Okay, 3id dot wallet. Can I do that? Okay, let me see if I put that inside my button instead. All right, boom. 3id wallet, or maybe not wallet. See, or verify maybe. Maybe we can do that. Okay, we can change the button to do that too if we want. Say 3id dot so verify maybe. Okay, so then connect with your wallet to access your 3id. I think that's pretty self-explanatory. Maybe we'll add a little bit more to this and say thank you for testing out my decentralized application. This is for testing purposes only. And then, and then let's save that and just add a little bit of that to there. Okay, so boom. Maybe we should have actually did this a little bit nicer. I mean, that's not gonna do. I don't know why I did that. Like that was gonna change that. Let me do this maybe instead. Let me do that. And there we go. We can put that right there, and we can actually do this. Okay. No, we'll do it like this. Let's do this. Sorry guys, bear with me for a second. This needs to be like that. Where am I? Got myself all flustered here. Okay. And then alright, let's do something like this. Cool. Alright, cool. Alright, so nice. And then so yeah, so now we have our page here. I mean, if we want, we can also we can add some pictures and all of that, but we're not going to do that right now. So now let's check out and see. All right, so right now we're gonna verify our ID, and we're gonna gain access to our ID. So let's click on this. So now from clicking on that button, all right, it creates the wallet connect. We are connected to the wallet using the Garly chain. I don't know how to pronounce that. Anyway, so and then the signature request. Okay, so as you can see, once that did that, it connected. After it verified that this was, you know, the right network and the right wallet. Okay, like it was gained access to the profile. Okay, and then this is the 3 ID for it as well, and you can see it says hello Simon Future 2. And if I want to update and change this name and say, you can see is now it's blank, says hello blank, and for, you know, we can say, you know, future self, or we can put the crypto plug, you know what I'm saying, and then we can update that, hello the crypto plug, and then boom, there we go. So hey, I hope you liked this quick video on this decentralized application. Hope you learned a little bit something about the things you can do with Web3. My name is Simon. Please, if you want to get a gift for somebody this holiday season, all right, go head to the description below. There's a link, all right, in the description section below. You'll get access and you'll see that, hey.
What's up? This is Simon. You're watching Cryptechology Shorts. Head on over to SafePal. Go to the description link below and get your SafePal hardware wallet today. All right? If you don't know, now you know.
All right, the SafePal wallet, for real. It's one of my favorite SafePal wallets. Just so you guys know, I'm not bullshitting you. Oh, excuse me. I got to stop cursing so these videos can go to everybody and be more family friendly. That's probably why I don't have the views necessary, because I gotta stop cursing. Is my glasses crooked this whole time? All right, but look, I'm not BSing you guys. Look, I have the SafePal wallet. I use this wallet on the daily. Okay, I love this wallet. I enjoy it. I've bought so many. So seriously, I'm just speaking from my own experience. Alright guys, my name is Simon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, hit the subscribe button. You could really use the support. And if you're interested, when you go hit the like button, head on over and click that link and get a SafePal hardware wallet today. I want you guys participating with the blockchain. In our last video, we went through setting up the SafePal browser wallet, and that's what it looks like right here. When you have the SafePal browser wallet, it's really user friendly, and you can check your NFTs. You have access to different blockchains like Solana, all right, Polygon, all right. So just SafePal, it's definitely something you want to be.